Want this? Hey guys, welcome to my video. As the title says, this tutorial is not about the full edit. I'm only going to show you how I made the blinking eye part, but I also made a short about how to do the smooth transition. You can check it out after this video. And before we start, if you just discovered this channel, I encourage you to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials and tricks. Let's go. To arrange your clips, make sure to add well the beats and follow me. Freeze the clip at the end. Take a screenshot of the image eye and crop it. Save it and open IBIS Paint. Click on plus and select this format. Import the image. Click on the brush, then select eraser. Zoom in and do as I do. Okay, now export it as transparent PNG. Go back to CapCut. Add the image as overlay, exactly below of the freezed image. Go to transform and zoom in like this. Now add a white overlay. Then go to layer and send it to back. Go to splice and select overlay. Then go to opacity and decrease it to 0. Now add a keyframe at the first beat and another one right behind him. Then increase his value to 100. Add another keyframe at the second beat and one behind him. And decrease his value to 0. Go forward a little and add a keyframe and set it to 0. And that's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon for next tutorial. Thanks for watching.